Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to another Coach item today. This is the Petal Wristlet in Wildflower print. The color that you can see here is called the Ox Blood, or it's a combination of a multicolor. If you're looking for a wristlet but not something quite as big as a bag, this is more of a, I guess in between, a tiny wristlet and a bag. As you could see here, this is a really cute little bag, little bag, if you could call it. It does come with the flowers petal here, as you could see here, and it comes with the silver color hardware. Has the Coach logo right here, and something really unique, interesting feature is this flower petal thing. I'm just gonna turn. It's a really tiny little cute bag, and this is the bottom. As you could see here, and I'm gonna bring this out. And it does come like a wristlet. It comes with a handheld thing. Come with the letter hand tag. Let's take a look on the inside, shall we? So you could pull down. Let's see here. Let's take up the on the inside here. It has this magnetic. Oh, I thought it is a magnetic clasp, but I guess it's not a magnetic clasp. It does not really, close any function like that. It's just a one really big empty container area inside. As you could see here on it comes with a linen lining. Let's compare this to the size of the water bottle. So as you can see, it is definitely smaller than the water bottle. The dimension of this bag is about 5.5 inches in length. It's about 6.25 inches in height, and more of a circumference of it's about 5 inches in width. So one more time, I'm going to flip the bag around. Here you go. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.